here.
This isn't as fun as it looks. Cut the power. Bruce, we're gonna gut it, sir.
Oh,
Long as we're only counting today.
what just happened?
Kilo 2-3.
He fucked you up.
Dude, move!
Oh my god, bro.
all I heard was and I heard ugh.
Joe, there's a ghost over here, dude.
Where? Oh.
Get in that.
Oh. He just threw a canister at me.
Oh, no.
And it kills me.
Dude.
Kobe.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. That was great. Oh my god. No fucking way he can aim like that. Oh my god!
Why didn't you say anything?
I said I'm right here.
Betrayal.
Oh my! Pick me up. Fuck!
Wait, let me take down that wall.
Betrayed.
Okay. Thanks, Roy.
I'm coming.
Deserved.
Whatever. Yeah, you deserve that. Looking good.
Don't shoot me. Stop. Get with me.
Betrayed.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
This. Got an achievement for that. What the fuck? No way he wins, bro.
Oh
shit.
my god. No. Don't. God, it's so stupid.
That scared the fuck out of me.
Cocksucker.
What? Oh my god. Hardcore, dude. I can't see the fucking name tag. Or the gamer. Oh my god. I swear, Joe, I didn't mean to do that. It scared the shit out of me.
Oh, what? What the? Where'd the phantom go?
Did it just disappear?
It just disappeared. I was shooting it. I was like, wait, where'd it go? Oh, maybe it came back. Yeah, it just disappeared. Just.
Get on your goddamn knees!
Nope. I'll play Ring of Honor Rosie with you. I don't give a fuck.
You're just delaying the inevitable! You'd better hide from me! Yeah! I see you, asshole!
Oh my god.
I'll take your bullets, bitch!
Stay there, Joe.
I'm so goddamn angry!
Oh my god. Get me my grapple! I don't have no grapple! Alright, hold on. Dude, what the fuck? Did you done too?
Yep.
Oh my god!
This is impossible. This is stupid.
Fucking grabbed onto that thing. Watch what I'm gonna do. Watch this.
What are you
Hold
doing?
I. Oh, God. What the fuck is this, man? This is harder than the brutes.
I have an idea. Let's stop fucking dying.
Found a good hiding spot. Never mind. Fuck!
This is dumb.
Oh, fuck! I didn't
I'd
sign
rather
up
fight.
for this.
I'd rather... Oh my god.
Did you see what I did,
Keep
Joe?
going.
I finessed them, Joe. I finessed the fuck out of it. Did you see that?
What happened?
You missed it. What? You fucking missed it.
What happened? Do it again. Dude, I wasn't watching. Do it again.
Come on, go back out there. Look at those. You think I want to go back to them?
Oh my
What the fuck? Look, this is what I did, right?
Oh shit, there's a chieftain down here.
Dude, you jumped right in my way when I threw that.
Why do you keep killing me?
Joe, you jumped right in my way as soon as I threw that.
Oh!
Dude, get the fuck away from me. Joe, literally, stand your ass right here. I'll take care of him.
Alright, you take him.
Oh my god! What the heck is
What
this
is
guy
he
doing
doing
here?
there?
What is he doing?
Who's this guy?
What the fuck?
Did you think you were
He
going
just
somewhere?
hey, he said, hey, what are you doing? What
Where do you
the
think you're
fuck? You son of a bitch!
What do you have?
A fucking energy sword. Dude, he looks great though. I'm not gonna lie. Look at him.
Yeah.
Not snowing you. Dude, we all kill him and compliment him.
Hey, nice helmet.
Yeah. Right. Alright, yeah, give me one of these, I guess. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I will kill you with bare hands! Here I come!
Oh my god, this fucking...
Fight me, coward!
Oh, here, hold on, Joe. Oh my fucking gosh. What the fuck? Bitch. Come here. Come here.
It's still coming.
Dude, I hit him 3 times. Where's he at? Help me. Dude!
Betrayal.
Oh my god! Oh, okay.
Oh, he's fast.
Oh my god!
Must be a way in. Maybe a tunnel.
Okay.
He is fast.
Oh my god! Please don't clip this, Joe! I can't do shit! Come on, Joe. Stick their ass. dodge the fuck out of him.
Betrayal.
God,
Oh.
the way.
My god. Did you fucking kill me?
Yes.
No! If you have a grenade, please throw it.
I don't. Oh, wait, I have one.
Oh my. Oh! Okay. Go! Oh god! Oh god! I didn't mean to grapple to that! Oh my god! I didn't mean to grapple to that, dude! I did not!
Betrayal.
Oops.
Betrayal.
Don't fucking kill me. Come on, Joe.
Betrayal.
I fucking hate you, man. Come on, Joe.
The Nexus is close by.
I'm dead. Don't die.
What the fuck?
There.
Nope, I got it. Oh my god, I'm such a genius.
Oh my god, the door's locked.
Oh my god.
The door's locked. Wait.
Oh, dude, it's over here.
Oh.
Dude, we went to the wrong one.
God. You're such an idiot, Roy.
Oh, we got a checkpoint all the way in the back, too.
Oops.
Oh my god. Fucking god. You gotta be fucking with me, bro.
Was that you?
Joe! Oh my god, Joe. If you see me, like, about to die,
I thought
Stay-
I thought you had
No.
him.
I was about to stay the distance and kill him. Why would you come right by me when he's swinging at me?